Friends, I'm talking about another very, very, very important third point. Our government, NDA government, under the stewardship of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has historically kept the interests of the citizens at heart, be it the petroleum price or anything else. Just to let you know that in the year 2022, when the war broke out between Russia and Ukraine, the price of crude shot up within weeks and it went to almost $139 per barrel. That's when every country panicked and the prices rose up in their respective countries. Um, South Asia, South and Southeast Asia, almost 50% increase. China also increased its petroleum prices. America increased it by 35%, and Europe also by 20%. So India at that point in time, the price of petrol went up by 10 rupees. But the most important thing, my friends, to note is that the price at that point that was increased remained increased only for 2 months. Our government increased in March, and by May it stabilized and it was brought down. How was it brought down? It was brought down by our government when it announced what is called as the excise duty cuts. So the excise duty cut actually profited the end consumer like you and me. The price became normal and we were just going about doing our business buying reduced price of petrol. But who took the financial beating is the OMCs. Somebody has to bear the burden of financial loss. So that was done by OMCs like the oil marketing companies, HPCL, BPCL, etc. Do you know how much losses they were facing? 2,400 crores per day. 2,400 crores per day was the losses that they took at the time of war when all the other countries kept the prices high and India brought the prices down. Today, also, my friends, let's accept, understand, and appreciate that our oil marketing companies are taking the financial brunt and the burden. Today, each day, every day, the OMCs are taking a loss of 10,000 crores. That is to protect our that is to protect us, the citizens of this country. So kindly do not complain. What we are experiencing is perhaps just a fraction of pain which each one of us, a billion of us, can easily comply and ensure the country sails through the turbulent times. Thanks for listening to this. And if you think the content was sensible, made any bit of sense, please share it with a whole lot of people out there who criticize the government without understanding facts. I don't blame anyone. It's important to know facts and figures. Kindly share this video. I'll be seriously happy and grateful. Thank you.